Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm a product designer here at Skullcandy. Today I'd like to tell you about our newest addition to the True Wireless family, Sesh. Sesh is our smallest, easiest to use True Wireless earbud. We created Sesh for the person who wants to try True Wireless technology for the first time and wants the simplest experience possible. What makes Sesh so accessible, even beyond its price, is that it isn't limited to just one use. With a 3-hour battery from the earbuds and an additional 7 hours from the charging case, Sesh is perfect for any of your daily activities, indoors or out. They also have an IP55 rating, which means they're sweat, water, and dust resistant. We have people here at the office who like working out with Sesh, trail running with Sesh, and skating with Sesh. Here's the 3 things that make Sesh perfect for all those scenarios. It's small size, secure fit, and easy controls. Sesh is our lowest profile True Wireless earbud. It fits simply, stays put, and is hardly noticeable in your ear. If you ever need to take a call, adjust the volume, or activate your digital assistant, Sesh can do all of that with just one button on each earbud. And for how small Sesh is, its speakers pack a punch. With a true noise isolating fit, you can expect Sesh to deliver clear, premium sound in all situations. Best of all, Sesh offers the Skullcandy Fearless Use Promise, helping ease your fear of losing or breaking an earbud. If you do lose or damage any part of Sesh, we'll replace the missing or damaged part at a minimal cost, no questions asked. Our smallest, easiest to use True Wireless earbuds are perfect for your first True Wireless experience. That's Sesh by Skullcandy.